Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Honda Passport Sport in white. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 36,000 miles in the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7650.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.